In the heart of West Africa lies a small nation known as Sierra Leone, a place where the Sierra Leone River meets the Atlantic Ocean. This tiny country is brimming with natural wonders, from lush green mountains to pristine beaches. But what truly makes Sierra Leone special is its people. The people of Sierra Leone are renowned for their warm hospitality and welcoming nature. They move through life with an infectious enthusiasm and a zest for adventure. Their vibrant markets are bustling with activity as merchants hawk their wares and tourists from all over the world come to experience the unique culture. The streets of Sierra Leone are filled with a colorful mix of people, each with their own story to tell. Children skip rope and play soccer, while adults go about their daily routines. The air is filled with the sound of car horns and the rhythmic beat of African drums. Despite the hustle and bustle, there's always time for a friendly chat and a helping hand. If you find yourself in need of assistance, the locals will be quick to lend a hand. In Sierra Leone, you'll find that everyone has a smile on their face and a song in their heart. The people of Sierra Leone take great pride in their country and their culture. They love to celebrate their heritage through music, dance, and food. Whether you're attending a traditional ceremony or simply strolling through a village, you're sure to be greeted with a warm smile and an invitation to join in on the fun. So if you're planning to visit Sierra Leone, be prepared to immerse yourself in a world of color, sound, and excitement. The people of Sierra Leone are truly a sight to behold. So don't be shy. Approach them with an open mind and a willingness to learn, and you'll soon find yourself embraced by their infectious joy and enthusiasm. You'll leave Sierra Leone with memories that will last a lifetime. But beyond its bustling cities and vibrant markets, Sierra Leone boasts a captivating history that dates back centuries. One of the must-visit destinations in Sierra Leone is Freetown, the country's capital city. Founded in 1787 as a British colonial settlement, Freetown is home to a variety of historical landmarks. Visitors can explore the historic cotton tree under which freed slaves rested on their arrival in the city, or visit the National Museum to learn about the country's rich heritage. Another fascinating destination is the small fishing village of Banth, located on an island in the Sierra Leone River. Banth is known for its traditional wooden boats and its role in the transatlantic trade. Travelers can also venture to the small town of Waterloo, which served as the temporary capital during the colonial era. Here they can visit the Waterloo Bridge and the nearby River Watchman Monument, a memorial to the African soldiers who fought in World War I. Those seeking adventure can head to the Loma Mountains, home to the highest peak in West Africa. Trekking through the mountains offers stunning views of the surrounding landscape and the chance to spot rare wildlife. However, the journey is not for the faint of heart, as the terrain is rugged and challenging. As you wander through the streets of Freetown, you'll notice the distinct architecture that reflects the city's colonial past. Many of the buildings are constructed from brightly colored wood and adorned with intricate carvings. The streets are lined with shops selling everything from fresh produce to handmade crafts, and the air is filled with the scent of spices and grilled fish. As night falls, Freetown comes alive with music and dancing. The sounds of traditional drumming and singing echo through the streets as locals gather to celebrate life. Visitors can join in on the fun by attending a local party or simply strolling along the beach, listening to the waves crashing around them. But Sierra Leone's natural beauty is not limited to its cities. The country is home to some of the most stunning beaches in Africa. One of the most popular spots is River No, the beach, known for its crystal clear waters and white sand shores. Visitors can swim, sunbathe, or simply relax and take in the stunning views. Another must-visit destination is Toka Beach. Located about an hour's drive from Freetown, Toka Beach is famous for its palm-fringed shoreline and its laid-back atmosphere. Travelers can stay in one of the eco-friendly lodges nearby and immerse themselves in the tranquility of nature. Despite its rich history and natural beauty, Sierra Leone has faced its fair share of challenges in recent years. The country has suffered from poverty and political instability, but the people of Sierra Leone have shown incredible resilience in the face of adversity. Throughout history, the people of Sierra Leone have shown extraordinary strength and determination in the face of challenges. From the early days of the transatlantic trade to the brutal civil war that ended in 2002, they have endured unimaginable hardships. However, they have never lost sight of their goal to build a better future for themselves and their children. Despite the odds stacked against them, the people of Sierra Leone have refused to give up. They have worked tirelessly to rebuild their country and create a brighter future for themselves and their children. They have shown remarkable resilience in the face of adversity, emerging stronger and more determined than ever before. One of the most defining moments in Sierra Leone's history was the civil war that raged from 1991 to 2002. The conflict resulted in the loss of thousands of lives and left the country in ruins. But the people of Sierra Leone did not allow the war to break their spirit. They fought valiantly to defend their homeland and protect their loved ones. Even in the darkest days of the conflict, they held on to hope for a better future. After the war, the people of Sierra Leone came together to rebuild their country. They worked tirelessly to restore essential services such as healthcare and education and to create economic opportunities for their people. They did not complain or make excuses. Instead, they rolled up their sleeves and got to work. Their determination to create a better future for themselves and their children was unwavering. The people of Sierra Leone are known for their hospitality and friendliness. They are quick to welcome visitors and make them feel at home. Whether you are visiting a local market or attending a traditional ceremony, you will be greeted with a warm smile and a helping hand. They take great pride in their country and their culture and are eager to share it with others. They are also incredibly resilient and have a strong sense of community. Despite facing numerous challenges throughout their history, the people of Sierra Leone have never lost hope. They have a deep sense of faith in themselves and their ability to overcome any obstacle. They believe that through hard work and determination, they can create a better future for themselves and their children. In conclusion, the people of Sierra Leone are a testament to the strength and resilience of the human spirit. Despite facing unimaginable hardships throughout history, they have never given up on their dream of a better future. Their determination to create a brighter tomorrow for themselves and their children is truly inspiring. When you visit Sierra Leone, you will be struck by the warmth and hospitality of the people. They will make you feel welcome and ensure that your visit is an unforgettable experience. So if you ever have the opportunity to visit this amazing country, be sure to do so. You will not be disappointed. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more informative content. And if you have any suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.